Happy birthday, girl. And Valentine.
Gandang case lang. Dito ulit sa natin. Basta po lang to.
So, ating birthday girl. Happy birthday, girl. And happy Valentine's to you. Mga mahal. Ito lang ang nakakaya ng iyong mama. Happy birthday. Alin? May gravy, di ba?
Not gravy.
Ate Joyce.
White. Na ganito din. Pero yung sauce.
My birthday celebration. Birthday girl.
Same.
Happy 18th birthday girl. Happy 17th birthday girl. Happy 34 birthday boy. 34 yard. Yung pala lampas sa ano. 40 na pala yon.